Hey, what's going on YouTube? On this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the background on your Google front page. It's simple, just go down here to the bottom right hand corner, click on the little pencil. It's gonna open up the screen. You can choose no background, so you can go back to the classic look, or you have several themes to choose from. I personally like landscapes. And then choose an image of your liking and you press done. Another thing that you can change here is colors and theme, and this will change your theme color. And just click done when you're finished. Alright guys, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and like, share, subscribe. I love the above. Thanks for watching.